Hello. Okay. You harvest the snap peas. Oh, no, no, no. Let me help you.
Mommy, I think my pea is having trouble.
Okay.
Harvest na, harvest. Harvest na batong.
There.
Ah.
There's more here.
Harvest na.
There's more here.
Harvest. Harvest?
Look at my little pea.
What's this? Pea? Be careful.
Is this pea already?
Yeah, it's already ready.
Si Miss Vicky po na, si tomato dito. Atong
Yeah.
tomato, lagi walay bunga.
Naaman. Na may bunga.
Mommy, I don't.
Someone please open the door. Open the door.
Ala, nagkuhan man ni siya.
Mommy,
Na-expose ang
Can you
carrot.
help
So,
me, please?
I guess I need to.
Give me the key so I can open the door.
Okay.
Mommy, is the peas already
Yeah. See,
good?
there's like 3 of them.
Mommy, is the carrots already done? The carrots already done growing?
Yeah. I know, not the carrots is still young. Where else?
Mommy, what's this plant?
We're gonna wait for it because I forgot about it. I don't know if that's this is ready for the pichay. I'm gonna get pichay so I can have a good soup later.
Pichay. Harvest na, harvest.
Oh,
Kani, saan po
we'll
dito?
harvest a pichay.
Ano diri?
Carrots.
Huh?
Carrots.
Oh,
Na, nanay carrots niya sa ilalim. Look ko na. Ako na siyang ikuha na. Gonna grow. Duham din siya. Oh, nagtapad. I'm gonna put this away. The other one. See?
Carrots.
Beep, beep.
Beep beep.
Do you like carrots, Dad?
Yeah.